Good morning and welcome to this session of how to clean your convection ovens. Yesterday's video, we were talking about the introduction into the units, and today we'll focus on what we'll clean and how to clean it. But always remember, safety comes first. So even before you start these purposes and this task of cleaning the unit, make sure that everything is safe by switching it off, isolating the unit completely, and just checking around you again. So what will we clean today? We are going to be cleaning the unit not only on the outside of the unit, but also inside. By inside, I mean opening the door, the glass panel, which is double, we can then open, and we can make sure that the glass is clean on the inside on both sides, returning it. And then actually going into the unit by taking the oven racks out. We will also remove the oven shelving, and we can take out the baffle in the back, and all these are removable and easy to clean, including the inside of the chamber of the oven, which has got beveled corners, which makes the cleaning so much easier, including the fact that it is stainless steel. So it is really, really good for cleaning, and it will clean easily. Also, we'll have a look at your door seal, just to make sure there's no debris stuck in it, and we'll clean that as well. And then once everything is washed and dried, we can then safely return the components to the oven, and we are ready to switch the oven on and start working again. The final part of the cleaning would just be to go externally and then to clean the surfaces down. And for that, we can use, no product placement here, but we can now use any kitchen surface cleaner or any mild soap. That can even be your mild dishwashing detergent. Again, not soaking the unit in water, but just dampening a towel and making sure that all the surfaces are nicely wiped down.